I'm here in Irna Dyck's house. Irna Dyck is one of our missionaries. She's a school teacher here in the Hacienda Verde School. She's here from Belize, the church in Belize, and so she's working with us here in Hacienda Verde as a school teacher. She's been here for a few years already. She's been very active in the school. I'm in her house right now. She has a very beautiful little house, and so you can tell that she's very comfortable here, and she's got all kinds of neat things on the walls, and so you can tell there's a bit of a feminine touch here. We like that. And so I'll have a little bit of a discussion here with Irna. I want to see where what her work is, and she can explain that herself. And so Irna, as a teacher here in Hacienda Verde, tell me a little bit about how the school year ended, because, well, we know that the school year ends in November, and the summer holidays in December and January, and starts again in February. But tell me a little bit about last year's school year. Do you feel it was successful? How many students were there? And tell me a little bit about the year.
I think last year was a very successful year. We were for the first year in our permanent school building, and we had 42 students last year. And I believe overall it was a very successful year. There were some students that were new, but other than that, the students were all familiar already.
So then tell me a little bit about this year. The school has changed significantly in numbers for this year. How many students do we have this year?
This year we have 63 students.
So you went from 42 to 63. That is 21 more. How many of these students that are in school now are brand new to this school?
I would say just about all of those students are brand new to the school.
So those 21 students that are new to the school, what kind of the majority of them, what background do the new students have?
The majority, well, it's a little bit half and half. There are a few that have come off the old colony this last half year or so. So there's a few of those that know basically just low German and have had not a more modern type of education. And then there are actually a few families, I believe 3 or 4 families that have actually moved back from Canada to Bolivia, which are mostly English speaking or English and Plotich speaking, but don't know the written language of Plotich. So it'll be quite a bit of new stuff.
So there's a lot of new stuff. So we have, our classrooms, students per teacher is a little bit low, but it's going to take a lot of intense teaching for these students to get into the system, because it's Spanish is a primary language and Plotich is a second language. Is that true?
Yeah. So the new students, I would say just about the majority of the new students will have at least 2 new languages to learn. First off, Spanish, for quite a few of them that don't know how to speak or understand it, and then also to learn that as a written language. And even for the students that do know Plotich, they know it as a speaking language, but not as a written language. So they will know, be having to attempt to learn at least 2 new languages.
So Irna, being a teacher and a language teacher, you're teaching English and Plotich. It looks like you have a full year ahead of you. Am I right?
Yes.
But it's exciting too, isn't it?
It is. It is very exciting, and personally maybe a little bit scary too, with a lot of new teachers as well. There's 4 new teachers in this school, and then also a lot of new students, so definitely a challenge for this coming year. Well,
the challenges and adventures and excitement, they all go together. Sometimes the excitement is not half funny, but sometimes there's a few tears involved, but it is never a boring moment. Am I right?
No, and especially with challenge comes growth, for me personally as a teacher, and hopefully for the students too.
Well, thank you very much, Irna, for informing us.
You're welcome.